For this tutorial, we will go over Quick Suite's automation project. Navigate to the Invoice OCR automation under Projects. Here, you can view the details about your project. Click Edit Automation. First step is to download the file from S3 as input file. Adding the query document step after download. Specify the S3 location of your invoice here. This is how the textract query looks like in this case. This is querying a few of the standard fields, which should work on most standard invoices. Next, initialize an empty dictionary as invoice data. Now, add a loop through item step, which loops through invoice details, which is the output variable to the textract query, and populate the dictionary with field name as the key and extracted value as the value. Next, create a new case with case type as the runtime variable defined here. Now create a human-in-the-loop task inside process cases. This is how the task form is built out. Click Run once done. The logs shows step-by-step processing of each step and prints any messages, success or error. At the end of the run, we can see a task was created. Navigate to the task, review your information, click the most recently created task. This is the task form built out earlier. Edit any fields if required, and finally, submit.